Dentistry in my childhood was, of course, very different than it is today in terms of technology and available practices, level of training. So I have seen the entire spectrum of healthcare from the old hand-driven drills to today's, modern technology. So it's been quite, for someone like me who's always had, dentistry's always been a challenge, for someone like me this has been quite remarkable to be with a dentist who is so committed to keeping up with the latest technology and the latest procedures. About 3 years ago, I was involved in an accident, a hit-and-run accident. I was out walking one night and I had a dental injury because of that. And I called him, it was late at night, it was about 10 o'clock, and I called him on his cell phone, and he was at a conference out of town somewhere, and I left him a message. He immediately called me back. I was in the emergency room. He talked me through the situation, assured me everything was going to be okay, and saw me as soon as he got back in town, and he took care of it. So that was very special to be able to call him and relate on a personal level like that. I'd like to give all of you a compliment. All of you do a fantastic job. I think what makes this office unique is the personal touch. You get, when you come in the door, you're asked, would you like anything from our comfort menu, which is really quite special. And there is, of course, Dr. Kacos and his very special chairside manner of taking care of you. Oh, it's always a special feeling to walk out of here and know that you've got something done to take care of yourself. And he's always very good about stressing the importance of what he's done. Everything about this office impresses me. The professionalism of the staff as soon as I walk in the door, to the experience of getting to the chair, to the incredible work that Dr. Kacos and his assistants do. It's all been wonderful. Dr. Kacos is technically very good. His high level of training and expertise makes me feel very assured that he not only knows what he's doing, but that he's equipped to handle anything that might be a challenge. I think Dr. Kacos calling to check on his patients is definitely going the extra mile. I don't think there are many healthcare professionals who would do that. Dr. Kacos deserves to be the highest rated dentist in this area. Absolutely, he does. Punctuality is important, I think, to most people in the world today because we're all busy. I'm a busy working college professor. I have a lot of commitments in the community, and so to be able to come in here and know that I'm going to be seen on time and I'm going to leave on time is really an important part of my day. Nobody has ever offered me a comfort menu except here. I think every time I've had a major procedure here, whether it's an extraction or an implant, I have left here with a nice little get well bag that I go home immediately and cook the soup and take the Advil, and it's a very special touch. I very much admire Dr. Kacos' commitment to the international mission work that he does in underserved and impoverished countries. And especially, I think he recently led one to South America, and that really impresses me because he's so willing to share his talents and his skill with people who would not otherwise have access to that kind of care. My dental needs are definitely complex. I have struggled against genetics my entire life with regard to my dentistry, and so I am here frequently. The procedures that I have had with Dr. Kacos have run the gamut from simple fillings to implants. I've had everything in between. Oh, it makes me feel very special when he calls. And not only does he call the night before, but he calls the night after, just to check and see how I'm doing. I actually inherited Dr. Kacos from a dentist I'd had for many, many years, and I was a little nervous about having a new dentist, but he's fantastic. I think any healthcare professional that you choose for anything, you want to have had experience working with other patients like you, and Dr. Kacos has got a very impressive record, not just of experience, but of training. I've referred many people here because of the level of the care we get here. This is the most professional team of people I have encountered in any business, especially in healthcare. Again, from the moment you walk in the door until the moment you leave, you are not just any other patient, you are the only person in the office.